Assam police withdraws from Umlapher check gate after Khasi villagers protest. Public terms decision as illogical will lead to more encroachment and smuggling activities. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbingrong Live English Primetime News. Now the news in details. In the news coming in from West Karbi Anglong district, the Assam police was forced to withdraw its Umlapher check gate under the Jinthong MSC constituency on Tuesday after the Khasi villagers erupted in protest after two Khasi villagers were allegedly beaten by the police during a vehicle documents check on Monday night. The villagers from Lowai Amsi Khasi village stormed into the Assam police check gate at Umlapher and confronted the police and exchanged heated argument demanding immediate withdrawal of the checkpoint, alleging the police personnel of beating two of their villagers identified as Ram Lindo and Holland Shadak, even after they produced documents during check at around 10 p.m. The villagers also demolished structure at check gate premise during the protest. The tense situation was brought under the control after the West Karbi Anglong SP, Additional SP by Thalangso, PSOC, Ulukunchi OP in charge, Mauhati MSC Charles Mangar, and Meghalaya Ribhoi SP, Additional SP and DSP reached the spot to pacify the Khasi villagers. The Khasi villagers finally stopped their protests after the Hamran SP issued order for withdrawal of the Umlapher check gate.
Ula kongo banweng no ia kaniga gate ban penombok polis yo ni. Angoi pedeng ke tempat iki ipai ba no susnong bi. Bila itip ba kadang don pedeng jong gajing ipin baik put baik sambor arteli. Ban megalia ban asam. Dinamar kata nagaliang jong piru pidehi ban em ban ya don akor don burom menmit menyong ro. Kirpat ikna samla menmit menyong pimde ban ya ban ikiat. So kan? Kamang idang pun baik put baik samanta. Demdei ban nilai kelumar. Menmit menyong like setang ladon emergency bapang bersyutam. So kan?
Regardless of who were at fault with regard to the specific incident involving Assam police and the two Khasi villagers, people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong termed withdrawal of check gate as completely illogical decision and highly objectionable, which will only hurt West Karbi Anglong district and the entire state of Assam. Following this incident, many have questioned Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM, MP, MLAs, EMs and MSCs to clarify as which jurisdiction does Umlapher fall, as check gates are crucial to keep tab on illegal activities, timber smuggling and more importantly, encroachment which are planned and operated from neighboring state.
Outpost bilo lang so outpost awang pinanganar ni dinglo udam pulote ni kep ni krepo andulo labang so outpost bangke kupima permanent solution kali der bangke lahelo sa outpost bang ordar abade amat si pini la hapu SP pu SP chi tonglo la tum char julo nang tum dak get kibi la pengke nang tum dak sana ke do ordar dulo ma puchar julo he la so char jube mase ordar bangke belang seta ene SP ben sedak duro tum nang duso pulo mati la matsela SP yan cengkelo nang ladak bangke rong penak anci kormar dadi apot an la se non dade ja pita alam do bomi la se nang ladak pena bang outpost bang chu thai pon tlono ulo la se la ma se hala pu alam se ke kroilo sita lang ne yeni la bangali na tu SP bangke ye ne jagat ne ko pima klem ni ne se klem po arun ne tum la sona hotna pe chudu tha pun ne tum bangwe na ne tuma dim ta nang tum ta la puson an ke nang ne puselang pun ye polo ta lang la bang pidat lo eta non solution ki methu bangke tum pana ki mege bang tu bangla lo pini la dak pendam jo pusata Pena mana di kemat lah serpi tumpang aku cewang tupo serpi tum cewang det apilo pulo tangte ni thom ni pliang bong amat non ada thana permanent order na pipo pusemo CM apanta direct ne punlo la pen CM banta ningelo la si la angsong alama bang non mat pile atlo la si itum la dak kedo an arat atum seta neng thenang pola pen ge tum neng ki binang yalam tawe la pen so thana dam je pen ge thanga kai no ita velo non permanent thana si tum gelong tupo
Ante agotona ke kopi do.
alama bang ge patwe aju hala hansu ge jorda matung bang lo tuar an khang dun lo an ge nak tum jar lu parlo no lom chei long kang hudu chai nong kang hudu lahai kopia pot si jang tum jar lu parlo dam beret ma pulo la ke thak dun na bang or thak dun rong chedan rong a pot lo an police tung ge chedan lo pulo tang te la si police tung ge theng vek pola si mola megalo SP hanta pudun lo police ken hok ta human lo nak tum ta ki megali la putum ta ki megali puni pudun lo gante athe kopia pot si ante series thank you ke bang surrender te ra phi por hem tam se nak tum ta abdam bob Lasinang tumta chokche, la putum ta claim ke chokche dulu. Lasinang tumambong che compromise ra, thana uthai plot anke nang nelo punta ne pudun lo tala tum pulo, ye tume speech kro dang da nang alam nang puang nang ne pumasi, ne ta thang ta pudun tu se lo. La nar lo alam bang kini alam ke.
Hemarirong Parts report from Molukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of strengthening the alliance of regional force in the hill districts, the Autonomous State Demand Committee Bakalia District Committee held a joint extended meeting on Tuesday. The meeting was held to discuss strengthening of cooperation between All Party Hills Leaders Conference Party along with its wings comprising of KSA and KNCA. The meeting was held at its party office in Dongmukak and was chaired by ASDC Bakalia District Committee President Keshap Terang and was attended by Central Committee leaders Babu Singh Ronghang, Bakalia District Committee Vice President Monindra B, KSA BDC Advisor Khon Singh Timung, KNCA Bakali Regional Committee President Jasoda Kilingpi and others. During the meeting, the regional party discussed on the border issue with Meghalaya, for which the party resolved to take active participation and extend all cooperation towards finding solution. The party also expressed their disagreement on APHLC's proposal to the ASDC to keep out KNCA and KSA from involving in the politics of the district and state. The party wing stated that ASDC, KSA and KNCA have always been together in all movement and therefore the proposal for exclude them was not acceptable. The party wings stated that they would be forced to reconsider or withdraw their support from joint movement of the party. The regional party wings have sought ASDC Central Committee to clarify their decision on the matter.
PSLC to Malam Tanglo, City ASC Nanta Arona Tang Penke, Chikroy Creep along Central Committee to Chingwano, Sitame a condition Mang Duturu. Sialamba Kiching Holatum, Luchali a song La Penke, Women Organization, KNC, Alatum Hanamanke, Nangino ASC Penle, Duchona. The ASC Penabanga strongly condemn law, 100% Croy ASC, KSA, KNC, like a precally. Unama ke duida like a long dopo, do deep like a dundil of long. Also, decision of things, see that I stand Chipaklango. Duji Pulu like ASC, KSA, KNC, like a Dorapetto. ASC do Choji, Palam take Kikroyala Movino. Si Kali Pulonde, Kala Innovation, Dorapeji, John Movement, Dui Palam Tipta, Matatunanko.
KSA, KNC, Tiripia May, Ahin Pen. Nang pin kada tengsi pinidak Bukulet District, Angkang along, ASC, KSA, KNCA, joint extended meeting itu 5 poin. Pada salam the, kacerai apon alam the bangke mo presiden ni yelo, Sonia alam hindi bisa important people no border alam the, pen APHLC tu pen ba kapre song men kacing kiri jethanya alam ang hindi dak cingwai pon pasik pon ilo.
Samsung this report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. In what may be called good news for the people of Langhin, the medical sub-center at Manipur was revived on Tuesday. Here is a report from our correspondent. The inauguration program was attended by EM Khon Singh Rongpi, local MEC Tarendra Brahma, KAC Administrative and Economic Board Chairman Uttam Brahma, Korkanthi constituency MEC Raju Tisu and several other leaders along with health officers and workers. Addressing the gathering, the KAL Khonsing Rongpi said that the Manipur sub-center existed from quite a long time in an unfunctional state. Doctors and nurses were not able to come for their duties and people had to face a lot of problems. However, from now on, the center will remain active on all days. He added that very soon the center will be transformed into 10-bedded hospital. There are many areas in Karbi Anglong where primary health facilities are still a very distant dream. And the huge numbers of people are suffering due to the lack of health centers in many areas across the state for lack of medical center. At such a time, the revival of a sub-center is a matter of great joy for people. Following this, locals have lauded the step taken by KAL Khonsing Rongpi in charge for medical Khonsing Rongpi to open the health facility at Manipur, Langhin, which have remained unused for a long time.
মানিকপুৰ এইটো মেডিকেল সাব চেণ্টাৰটো আমি উদ্ঘাটন কৰিলোঁ আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পুঁজিৰে আৰু এই হস্পিটেলটো আহিব লগা দিনত আমি 10 বেডৰ কাৰণে আকৌ প্ৰপ'জ কৰিছোঁ অতি সোনকালে ৰাইজে ইয়াত 10 বেডৰ সুবিধাটো এই সাব চেণ্টাৰটোৰ পৰা পাব আৰু মই চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ যাতে ইয়াত এজন CHO নিয়োগ কৰিব পাৰোঁ আৰু লেবৰ ৰুম আৰু CHO এই দুটা বস্তু ইয়াত বহুত লাগতিয়াল হোৱা মই দেখি পাইছোঁ কাৰণ মই এইটো সোনকালে ৰাইজক এই সুবিধাটো মানে দিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিম
Sarpangring Tigathar from Langhin along with Harsing Rongpi from Hawarkihat for Karbi Anglong Live. And what may be a good news for those who are intending to get admission in the higher secondary or for degree level in home district, the admission process for the HS Arts stream is underway at Deopani College. The establishment of Deopani College in Santipur has given an opportunity for students of the area to pursue their higher secondary education at home district. Established in 2009, the college is now imparting quality education to students of the college and is currently one of the best college under the Bokajanali constituency with passing rate of 100% in the higher secondary examination. The college is led by Principal Boson Rongphar and faculty members including English Department HOD Dr. Monami Porosar, Assistant Professor Madhusmita Bharali and Assamese HOD Dr. Bornali Deka among others. Principal of the college, Boson Rongphar informed that the college has total of 21 staff comprising of the teaching and non-teaching staff and is currently only for art stream and that admission is going on in both online and offline process.
So Deopani College Santipur is located at National Highway 39, near National Highway 39, just near to Borbothar Police Station and near Borbothar Higher School. So here, the college is established in the 1st of August 2009. Since then, the college is producing the best result in Bokajan subdivision. So the just HS second year result declared, we have produced 100% result. First division 6, second division 70 of them, and third division 56 of them. Out of 132, all of them have passed and we produce 100% result. So we have excellent library here, experienced faculty. So I request those who are going to take admission in Deopani College, I extend a warm welcome to you all. Admissions are being taken both online and offline. So the seats are limited. So please do come and take admission at the earliest. Here we are offering two types of education, so to say, higher secondary level and degree level. In the higher secondary level, both Assamese and English medium we are offering. And then in the degree level, it is affiliated to Assam University Silchar. Here we are offering two majors, that is political science and sociology.
Samson Intes report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.